We have more news coming in, like we've been talking about. Clearly, all is not well in the Pawar family over these fast-moving political developments. As Sunetra Pawar taking oath as the Deputy Chief Minister, cousin Supriya Sule has refused to answer when questioned regarding Sunetra's oath ceremony. These were questions that were asked of her, but she chose not to answer them.
सगळा महाराष्ट्र बघतोय की
रुको ना
पवार
लागा.
साहेब कशा पद्धतीने
आम्ही
आहेत?
तुमच्यासाठी काम करू.
एकच शब्द
कुठेतरी
रामकृष्ण हरी.
विश्वासात घेतलं नाही का ते
रामकृष्ण हरी.
रामकृष्ण
सगळा महाराष्ट्र बघतोय की
रुको ना
पवार
लागा.
साहेब कशा पद्धतीने
आम्ही
आहेत?
तुमच्यासाठी काम करू.
एकच शब्द
ते कुठेतरी
रामकृष्ण हरी.
विश्वासात घेतलं नाही का ते
रामकृष्ण हरी.
रामकृष्ण
सगळा
Omkar Bable is with us at the Lok Bhavan today. Omkar, we didn't see, in fact, Sharad Pawar or Supriya Sule present when Sunetra Pawar took over. Of course, they were with the family. Instantly after the news of Ajit Pawar's death broke out, we saw those images just a few days ago. But these pictures are very different, isn't it, today from what we'd seen just 2-3 days ago when Ajit Pawar had passed away. Today, Supriya Sule has refused to comment on Sunetra Pawar taking over.
Well, I
Omkar.
think political drama is not over yet because exactly. I think political drama is not over yet because because Supriya Sule and Sharad Pawar both, including Rohit Pawar, they were not invited for the vote taking ceremony. But interesting thing is now I'm in Baramati, standing outside Govind Bagh, house of Sharad Pawar. Interesting thing is before vote taking, just 20 to 25 minutes before vote taking ceremony, Supriya Sule went to meet mother of Ajit Pawar, Asha Tai. She called her Asha Kaki. So she went to meet Asha Tai in Kathewadi, where where the farmhouse of Ajit Pawar is there, and she had a meeting with Asha Tai almost 40 to 45 minutes. When she came out, I asked her like what kind of talks you both initiated. Then she said, as it is, I wanted to go ahead for the budget session. So I asked Asha Tai that shall I go or not. Then she said the budget is for the nation and you must go to Delhi. And that's how Supriya Sule left. When we asked her about Sunetra Pawar's oath taking ceremony and everything, she just said Ram Krishna Hari. That's how she concluded, and she avoided to speak over it. So it is very clear how the Pawar split is being on the surface and in upcoming time, because the question is still remains same: who will lead the political party? Because though Sunetra Pawar has become leader of their MLAs and CLP,